Okay, so I'm doing another Grant's Guide. Usually they're all Legos, of course, so this time I have about 5.5 out of 6 Angry Bird movie Lego sets. So first I have the anger management class, which has this little piggy motorcycle. It's got 3 eggs in the back, and here's the pig driving it. It's got Red right here, Matilda. It's the anger management class house, and the little sign thingy spins in circles. Okay, so then the anger management class house is paintings back there. Painting of Terrence on the side. And now, so with the red here, the cool part is you can make Red jump off the stairs. This. Come on. I can work better than that. Okay, I'm gonna try that one more time. There. Okay, that's the best I can do. So then I have the piggy airplane right here with Red and his slingshot. So yeah, all you can do is, catapult. It's a catapult, not a slingshot though. Then there are 4 eggs in the back of this plane. There's a piggy pilot driving it. It's got some wheels on the bottom. Then I have the one that with the little race car that comes with Chuck and the pig. Race car I do not have right now. It's the only problem. So this weird goofy pig with his tongue pointing out because he's going so fast. And then there's Chuck. Then I have the piggy pirate ship, which comes with Red here and Bomb, which is right here. It's got a piggy nose at the front here. Got the anchor that can drop. Then it's got a basket of food right here. Came with a crossbow, but I'm missing the crossbow. Then here's Leonard, a pirate pig. Basket back here is full of eggs. And then there's a little grill and sink in there. And you can take this off. An egg recipe. And Leonard's crown is in there. So I'll grab that out. So you can put his crown on. So there's that. And a boulder always comes off the anchor boulder always. Oh, and the net can move around. So, but look, the thing when you roll it around, these can turn and the little things here move back and forth. And then finally, I have the Piggy City Teardown Lego set. So it comes with Stella and Red slingshot here. This one does have a lot of stuff it can do though. Got an ice cream bin, got a pig phone. So one of the things it can do, there's a hot dog stand with Piggy, and this can move back. Oh yes, and the bridge can fall. You can make the. Oh, but also, yeah, why do the pigs eat hot dogs when hot dogs have pig in them? It makes no sense. And then you got the little piggy up here with the egg. So you can lift this up. And then there's a little chicken coop thing here. You can see the inside of it right there. It's sort of a chicken coop or something. And another cool thing it can do is this. So you can explode all the TNT down there when you move the lever. And that's really all I have. Just got the ladder here. Yeah, really, that's all of it.